So just a reminder that this tale was originally written in French. Lapin, which is pronounced, that's how it's pronounced in French, Lapin, is a French word. They've translated everything into English, but they've kept his name the same, Lapin. So I'm sure if you've read the story already, if you didn't know what Lapin was in French, you've probably worked it out by now. It was a warm, sunny morning when the king visited his pool. As soon as he saw the water, he knew someone had been to the pool before him, leaving it murky and dirty. The king was furious. "O king, Compere Lapin is the culprit. It was he who visited the pool," said one of his wise men. "I will not have it. He must die. No one visits the pool before the king," thundered the king. When Compere Lapin heard about what had happened, he said to his friend Compere, "There is a beautiful, cool pool in the yard. The king says that you may bathe in it." Compere was flattered and delighted and went straight to the pool. But as he was coming out, the king spotted him and ordered his arrest. He was put in a bag, and the bag was hung in a tree. Then the king ordered a long iron bar to be heated until it was red hot, so that Compere could be burned. It took 2 long days for the iron to be heated. Meanwhile, Compere Lapin visited Compere to make fun of him. He stood at the bottom of the tree and called, "Tig, o que huele." Look that up on the internet, see what it means. Compere had an idea. Compere Lapin, please help me. The king has said I must marry his daughter, and because I refused, he said I must die. When Compere Lapin heard this, he decided that if he exchanged places with Compere he could offer to marry the princess. Being a very greedy fellow, he immediately started to think of the wonderful food and riches that would be hid. Not to mention the beautiful daughter of the king. He didn't stop for one moment to consider that he was being fooled, just as he had deceived his friend Compere. So he quickly untied the bag and changed places, and Tig securely retied the bag and hauled it back into the tree. "Goodbye, Compere Lapin. O que huele." Okay, I love that story. Remember, if you can, look that up. O que huele. O que huele. Because it seems to be important. I wonder what it means. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Please, can you answer the questions? Please make sure you're answering full sentences. Otherwise, I won't be able to understand it when I read it. We'll mark it at 12 o'clock. Please read the instructions carefully that I've left, because there's some important details of how I want you to present this. Okay, ciao. I hope that you've enjoyed the snow. Snow!